Viewers, welcome to another edition of the latest news of war. So, viewers, according to the sources, all the forces that were sent to the city of Lalibela are were destroyed and captured. Since the beginning of this week, the Amharic militias have been trying to penetrate the city of Lalibela, which made the Tigray forces allow them to enter the outskirts of the city and then wipe them out. Statement from the military command of the Tigray Defense Force: the Tigrayan army is nearing the end of its just struggle and is heading towards a decisive milestone in its joint effort to destroy the enemies. We are now in a decisive stage of victory and the final burial of the fascist regime. The authorities of Debre Birhan city have banned the government. The authorities of Debre Birhan city have banned the movement of people during the day. And no one without a city ID can walk during the day. According to new directives issued by the authorities, the move comes as the Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army fighters reach city of Debre Sina. The Tigray army that is in Addis Ila. The independent news said that the Oromo and Tigray are on the edge of the important city Debre Birhan. Viewers, a news from Ethiopia has been reported that six of the leaders of TPLF who were leading the Tigray army. The Minister of Information who spoke to the media and said that the government had broken TPLF in the last 2 days. The government has not yet released the name of the TPLF leaders who were killed. Heavy developments reported in Kasagita Bati in Kanfarta province. Tigray coalition forces and Oromo Liberation Army have captured the cities of Diglo and Mehel after the pushed away the Ethiopian and Amhara army. Meanwhile, Ethiopian National Defense Force and Kanfar forces are reported that they have seized areas near Bati city while the Tigray Defense Force army is still under control of the city which Ethiopian army is using air bombing. The situation of Ethiopia is in a dangerous place. United Kingdom Foreign Ministry is urging British citizens to leave Ethiopia now while normal flights are working. The Ethiopian government has abused four of the diplomats of Ireland. Ethiopia has informed the embassy of Ireland in Addis Ababa that four of the six Irish diplomats working from the embassy will leave the country within a week. The representative of the Horn of Africa, that is the same of the United States, said TPLF should understand that the situation is not like 1991. It should be looked for peace solution, said by Feltman, who was talking to the media. The president of Benishangul Gums, Ashadil Hassan, said that he is going to the first opening of the war in order to respond to the Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed call that the leader should enter the war. And viewers, according to the Tigray sources, a press release from the Tigray Army Military Command. According to the press release of the Tigray Army Military Command, the Tigray Army is reaching the final phase of the fair struggle. Tigray people have heard that is moving to an important chapter in the world. The Tigray Army people are untiedly working to destroy their enemies. The difference between heat and Inkerdad is the one that is still going on in the Demsisage. Attacking the fascist system for once he had said that we are in a crucial chapter of victory where we can be buried at last. The military command has announced that the peaceful people will not be harmed in all areas. The wealth and property are not damaged, especially the Amhara and Afar region cities are not our center. In fact, the Amhara and the Afar people are proving this is not to be the center of war. Stand up for the necessary support and cooperation, he said he was doing it. However, the fascist system, which is the enemy of all people, is trying to make the war between the people and in the city. It has announced that it is killing the Amhara and Afar cities that we have controlled with high cohesion and wisdom. This anti-people fascist system is not going to delay the same action until its breath comes out. The Tigray army is working hard to reduce the damage and shorten the age of the system. On the contrary, when the system is collapsing, the system is going to be destroyed. The theft of the property of the people and government and other crimes. The Tigray army of Shawarobir city, which has made the enemy a war zone, will soon be a war zone while the army of Tigray is moving forward with high cohesion. They have been also able to use there as an opportunity, and even the individual property of the city of Tigray has been able to be robbed as an opportunity. I am going to have a good time. The press released that there is no need for political profit by making one pupil conflict with the other pupil. Said this kind of action is absolutely unacceptable. In the future, it has been noted that the necessary precaution and efforts will be taken to avoid such similar crimes out of the city and to reduce the damage of the people. Since it's not possible to make it effective only by the efforts of the Tigray army, the people have said that it is impossible to make it effective unless they are organized and secure their property and security. The Tigrayan army said that the people of Debre Binan city should protect your city and organization in an organized way. Every living person should do their part so that the military command factories and businesses in situation will not be harmed. The Tigray army command was warned that the staff and security members of these elderly people should take care of your organization and take care of your responsibility. In addition to this, as stated by the Tigray government, the military command has warned that the leaders in Kabul, Warida, and Mazakja houses should be calm and serve your people. It has been warned again that you should do your responsibility by cooperating with the people and maintaining the city daily activities and security. The military command is trying to make the war that the generals who claim that there is an anti-pupil force that the military army can't stop the war that the civilian community department is trying to make Debre city and other cities a war center. The fascist group that is digging a fortress to fight Addis Ababa by closing the peace option completely or the burial will be seen soon. But the Tigray army has called for the whole Ethiopian people to stop this evil act. So ever this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.